Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Breaking AI news. In this video, I'll cover the most groundbreaking AI developments of the week, including Meta's Llama 4 with its massive 10 million token context window, Microsoft's new memory features for Copilot, Google's Firebase Studio for app creation, OpenAI strategy shift, Claude Max pricing, etc. Let's dive in. So, the biggest story this week, Meta just dropped Llama 4 and it's a game changer. Not just one model, but three different versions. So, first, Llama 4, Scout with a crazy 10 million token context window. We're talking about 7.5 million words or about 90 novels in one prompt. Google's Gemini 2.5 only has 2 million tokens, so this is 5 times bigger. Then there's Llama 4 Maverick, bigger parameters but smaller 1 million token context. Still huge though. You could fit the entire Harry Potter series in there. And the beast that's coming soon, Llama 4 Behemoth, with 2 trillion parameters. So that'll make it the biggest model we know about. And get this, they're calling off these open source, but here's where things get juicy. So there's some serious Llama drama happening with Llama 4. First, Meta's definition of open source isn't exactly what most people think. If you have over 700 million active users on your Llama based tool, you need Meta's permission. And if you make a new model based on Llama, you have to call it Llama something. Not truly open source, but it gets wilder. So, someone claiming to be from Meta's AI team leaked that they weren't being honest about everything. They said that after training, Llama 4 couldn't reach state of the art levels. So Meta mixed benchmark test data into the training to make it look better in benchmarks. Meta's team denied this completely, saying they would never do that. They blame the performance issues people are seeing on implementation problems. So the plot thickens. When Llama 4 showed up on Llama Arena, the leaderboard where users blind test models, it ranked number 2 behind Gemini 2.5 Pro. But check this out. Now it's dropped all the way to number 32. What happened? Llama Arena called Meta out. They said Meta used a different version of Llama 4 on the leaderboard than what they released to everyone else. They optimized a special version just for the leaderboard. Next up, Microsoft's memory revolution. Microsoft just celebrated their 50th anniversary with Bill Gates, Steve Ballmer, and Satya Nadella all on stage together. Talk about a power trio. They announced a huge update to Microsoft Copilot. It now has memory. This means Copilot will remember your past conversations to learn what you like, what you don't like, and details about your life. Your dog's name, your work projects, even your workout motivation. So, this is a big deal because it makes AI feel more personal and less like talking to a blank slate every time. Think about not having to repeat the same information over and over. They also showed off an AI generated version of Quake built with their Muse AI model. So every single frame of the game is created by AI as you play. It's not perfect, characters disappear, and there are bugs, but the fact that it's generating a playable game on the fly is mind blowing. Google also made some big moves this week. So they improved their AI search mode to longer questions, comparisons, and how to's. Plus, it can now see and search with images. Take a picture of books on your shelf, and Google will find similar ones. At Google Cloud Next, they announced a new TPU, Tensor Processing Unit, coming later this year, and something called A2A, an agent to agent protocol. So, this lets AI agents talk to each other and work together with human input. Google Workspace got some AI love too. So, there's a new audio feature in Google Docs, Help Me Refine for better writing, AI enhancements in Sheets, and Gemini features in Google Meet for meeting summaries. So for developers, they launched Chirp 3 for audio generation, Imagen 3 for text to image, and Layout for text to music. Google's not playing around, and Google just released Firebase Studio, and it's a game changer for anyone who wants to build apps. Think of it like Google's answer to Bolt and Lovable, a completely free full stack AI workspace. So this is crazy because you can build entire apps with just one prompt and the process is super simple. All you need is a free Gmail account to get started. Just go to studio.firebasegoogle.com, type in what you want to build, and Firebase Studio does all the coding for you. Next, OpenAI has changed course completely. Remember when Sam Altman said they would skip GPT-4 and jump straight to GPT-5? Well, now he's backtracking. OpenAI will release GPT 4.0 and GPT 4.0 Mini after all. Reading between the lines, this probably means GPT 5 is taking longer than planned and they don't want to look like they're falling behind while waiting for it. But Altman promises GPT 5 will be much better than what everybody's expecting. GPT also got a major memory upgrade. It can now reference all your past chats. So when I log in, I saw a box saying introducing new improved memory. The AI wrote me a personal description based on everything we've ever talked about. This is next level personalization. But be careful, your random chats from months ago can now influence how the AI responds to you. This week, Claude Max arrived. Anthropic rolled out a Max plan for Claude, their answer to ChatGPT Plus higher end versions. For $100 per month, you get 5 times more usage than the Pro plan. And what even more? For $200 per month, the maximum flexibility plan gives you 20 times more. We should also expect Claude 4 within the next 6 months. Jared Kaplan, chief scientist at Anthropic, confirmed it's coming this year. The AI race is heating up. YouTube launched a free AI music tool for creators. Need royalty free background music for your videos. No more paying for subscription services. YouTube's got you covered with AI generated tunes. DaVinci Resolve 20 just dropped with tons of AI features. One of the coolest lets you upload a script and your footage, and it automatically lines up shots based on your script. So it's got better Magic Mask features, and you can train it on your voice for AI voiceovers. So video editing is getting crazy fast. Runway introduced Gen 4 Turbo, a super fast video generator that creates 10-second videos in just 30 seconds. Amazon's got their own video generator called Nova Reel that can make AI videos up to 2 minutes long. The quality is impressive, on par with the best models out there. Next, for coders, Together AI announced Deep Coder 14B, an open source coding model at the O1 or O3 mini level. They're releasing everything: dataset, code, training recipe, the whole package. New APIs are everywhere. Gemini 2.5 Flash and Pro, Live API, and V2 are all in the Gemini API now. Want to build a platform where people can generate AI videos using V2? Now you can. Grok 3 finally has an API. This is huge because now it can be integrated into tools like Windsurf and Cursor. GitHub Copilot get an agent mode and MCP support for easier API connections. So what do you think? Comment your thoughts below. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Introducing Compilify. Get total consent compliance within 60 seconds and grow your business without worries. Unlock the full global potential of your business and get better results on all ad platforms instantly. Compilify is the ultimate consent management platform. Compilify meets the requirements of all major consent and privacy laws globally. Supercharge your marketing reach with Compilify's powerful features. Get compliant, stay safe. Get better results from ads and analytics. Required for retargeting, DPO compliance, cookie compliance, GDPR compliance. Here's the good news. Complying with all of the privacy regulations is as easy as clicking a button to scout your site and putting the Compilify code on it. Less than 60 seconds and you're compliant. Automated cookie scanning and categorization. Cookie pop-up with easy consent management. Compilify offers unique identifier for user consent. Compilify keeps a record of users' consent selection with a unique identifier as required. Allows consent modifications. Visitors can view their consent setting and change at any time they want. Save 90% versus other consent management platforms. Fast and high-speed performance. Compilify does not slow your website. Google Consent Mode V2 and Microsoft Consent Mode support. Multilingual with automatic language detection. Consent pop-up with dozens of ready-made templates. Fully customizable consent pop-up designs. Data Protection Officer or DPO compliance ready. Target regions and countries with customized consent experiences. Detailed reporting and analytics. Compilify is powerful and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get Compilify now. Just go to getcompilify.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.